Alright, back, this is Himel Sarker. In this video we are gonna be covering the sections number 5. Here's my slide I'm opening right now, and you are seeing that HTML5 style and semantics. In the following tags we are going to be covering the following tags of style and semantics. We are looking at div tag, span tag, header tag, nav tag, main tag, section tag, article tag, aside tag, details tag, download tag, summary tag, data tag, footer tag, and last one is the summary of whole we are talking about. Without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all you have to open Atom editor. So I'm opening Atom editor. Here it's come. So you have to add your folder, add your project folder in Atom here. So I've already add my folder. So we are covering the basic tags, previous sections number 4. Right now we are in style and semantics. Okay. So guys, we are seeing that right now we are in style and semantics document, HTML document. So this is the structure of HTML. Inside of structure of HTML we write some code and styling the tagging system, and we are implementing this tag into a real browser. So how it's possible? So let's go. So we are first thing we are defining our div sections, div tag. So div. So we are seeing the div is actually defining sections in a document. So basically if you write the div tag and it's come up with the class sections, so we'll write later on the class. Right now we are giving the basics tag of div with the heading system, with the heading dog, with a heading tag. Okay. Here is the div tag, and inside of div tag we are writing heading is 1. Okay, heading. What should be our heading? I'm giving this is my heading. Okay, sorry, my mistake. So this is my heading. So right now I'm saving this one, and I'm opening in a view in browsers. So let's see. So now I'm giving the divs classes. What to write? Just like div 1. Okay. So we are looking the div class 1. So now we are doing a style of this div 1. So I'm writing style. Okay, and I should write now the div 1. So class is indicated dot, so I'm writing dot. Okay, and I'm writing div 1. Okay, and so div class already I made it. So I'm writing div with some parameters and with the value. I'm giving background, so background black. Okay, and then I should write border giving with 1 pixel, just 1 px solid line. Okay, solid line. And then I should write weight is 50%, and width and height is 500%. Now save it. So let's look what's happened. So I'm reload my browser and it's come up. So you're seeing right now here is something right. Okay, so it will be bigger soon. This indicate the deep sections. So now second part is we're gonna be cover that define it. Also we should cover that spam tag. Now second tag is spam. So spam is defining a sections in a document also. Okay, how should we write? So write is one. I'm writing learn facts, and I'm writing the spam, and write as and giving the spam slash is. I have done a mistake. This will be a slashing. Okay, right. So I'm saving this file right now and see what's happening. It's come up. So we are seeing right now this is the learn facts essays. Now we are doing some style inside styling. How it is possible? We should write span and giving second bracket indicated and write color just right. Okay, so right now I'm saving this file and I'm reload my page. It's boom. So look how it's difference. Okay, another one is that defining a header for the document or sections. So header, we know that header tag is indicated as header header. Okay, so this is our header tag. So where this header tag is, so I'm going to my projects and where is the project file? Here is, I'm clicking my project file and finishing file is that I'm going to my index.html. So where is my header? Looks, here is my header file. Inside of header we should have our navigation bar, nav tag and image. For better understanding, I'm showing you how should we have inside our header tag. Okay, so now another one is that defining a navigation link. So nav tag nav is define a navigation link. So previous I show you in a project file nav tag. So I'm having again, I'm viewing my project files and where it is here. So this is my header sections. Inside of header sections I have a nav tag and some link. Okay, and also some image. So this is the work of a nav link we should work in a real project. Okay, so our next part is specifying the main content of document. So this main tag is specifying the main content of a document. So how should we write main tag? So inside in the main tag I'm writing again of header 1 So I'm writing right now. So this is my header. So this is my header. Now I'm going to save file and I'll reload my page here. So it's come up. So this is my header, is the main inside of our main tag. So for coloring my main tag, we should go to our styling segment. Styling. So I'm giving right now the main bracket and background. There's blue. Now I'm saving my file. I should reload my page. Looks, here's my main tag. Inside our main tag we write the heading sections and it's full of blue background. So our next part is define sections in a document. What this tag is this tag is sections. So sections is also defining a section in the document. So here is the sections, and the next one is that define an article. So I'm writing the article right now. So article is defining article. So how should I write? Just article. And it's come out with the classes. You can write we do previous, like deep. You can write the class anyone thing you can write inside of this article. So here is this article come up. So article has a class. We previously write this class as a div, and we are styling some div classes with the black and solid border with the on px solid lame, and white is the 50% height is the 500%, as like you can put it the article here. So what the purpose of article? Think it is as divider, and it is top of a part. Inside we put neighbor. So the next one is that aside. So aside tag is defining content aside from the page content. So how it is? So aside is also a class. It have a class, and you can write anything. For I'm giving an example slide where like WordPage is known for blogging, and blogging is very specific content because what they are doing. For example, so you use an aside to do that because it's like an archive of your blog articles, right? And we also used class to separate different properties, positions to anywhere we need it to be, and your web page to optimize the content for your users. Okay, so the next one is that. So this tag is details. The details tag. So details tag is defining additional details that the users can view or hide. Okay. So how should it look like? Details. So details have open. So I can write in here, this is details. So this is details. So right now I'm saving this one and I refresh it. It's come up. Boom. Wow. So details open, that this is details. Okay. Now the Now the another part is defining a dialog box or window. So the tag is dialog. So dialog is indicate defining a dialog box or window. Just for a reminder, I can write dialog. Dialog is dialog open. Dialog. So here is my tag dialog open dialog. So inside of this we can write that this is a window. Okay, now I'm saving this file and I reload my page. So it's come up. So we are seeing that this is a window, say as like it is a box. So the next part is a summary. So summary is defining a visible heading for a details element. So right now I am writing details. Details open, and I write the tag is summary. So I can write it here right now. This is summary. Okay. For better view, I can do like this. So details is opening with the details tag and ending tag, and inside of this details tag we can write the summary tag, and the inside of summary we can write our summary of content. So I write this is summary. So I'm saving it here and I refresh my reload process. So it's come up. So this is summary. Okay. Now adding a machine readable translations of a given content. So just it is a data. Data is a actual indicator that adds a machine readable translations of a given content. So I can write data. So here data is actually have a value. So what this value is? So data is always coming up with the value. So I'm writing the value name just 002. Okay, and I write some content inside of this. So I'm like, this is data, this is data. Okay, and I save it. So this indicate data. For example, I can give you, when you buy a product, the product has a name and serial number. So this indicate like a data. Okay, so I'm reload my page and we are seeing this is my data. So this is my data. Okay, the last one is footer. So footer tag indicates the defining a footer for a document. How should you write? Just footer and click enter and you write the footer. So footer is just like I'm opening my opening my projects, main projects, and I opening my index, and we'll go a little bit down, and we have got the footer. Where is the footer? Yeah, it's come up. Yes, footer and footer. Inside of footer we are giving that something image and ID footer. Okay, so I'm crossing. So what we cover right now, that is that div tag is actually a div has a class, and we indicate the div1, and this class is indicate dot, class is indicated by dot, and we write div1 and indicate with write some background and border width and height inside of our style sections. Okay, and we write that inside of our div we write the heading. This my heading is come up in here, and we write some spam so span is defined in sections. So I write the heading first, then I write some content and spam with my name, and this is indicate a little bit style inside the span. So we'll take the span properties with the color and write, and it's come up here. So another one is the header sections is we've seen in the previous at the top of our projects. A neighbor inside of the header we should have a neighbor links. Okay, and main is containing some header sections, and it is if we take as a main inside to style our color, this background is blue, so it's come up this here. And other function is sections, like the sections, an article class, and aside classes, details open, this is the details, we write that this is the details part. So here on, and the dialog open, this is the window, so it's come up in the window. And another one is the data value. The data is as machinery readable, so data values 0 to this metadata is indicate only buy a product or no use a product. So this has a serial number and the package name. Okay, and footer is indicated at the end of our project. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.